We're excited to have just released big new drag and drop functionality for you, our form engine builders, that you'll see and have now in all your dynamic forms. This is actually a form engine dynamic form. Here it is in the builder screen. You'll now see handles like these arrows in all the containers of your forms, so you can drag and drop those form elements to move them around more easily. It can be challenging to move elements around in HTML forms like these for our no-code builders. These containers are paragraphs, headers, tables, divs, sometimes nested inside each other. We wanted to give you an easy way to move them around to get the formatting you want more easily. When you drag a form element to someplace else on the form, you'll see blue dashed lines that show where Form Engine will put that element when you drop it. So I can move a paragraph into another paragraph to combine them, or I can move it below or to one side of another paragraph or container. The Undo button will undo any changes you didn't mean to make. You can move whole sections of form elements by dragging the container they're in. You can move divs with all the elements in them to another place like this. Reordering items in a section, for instance, even moving something out of group and into its own place on the form. The other elements in the section will usually reorient themselves logically. You might make multiple changes and need to undo them, and the Undo button should undo several changes. For a container like a table, you can move the whole table someplace else on your form. You won't be able to move individual cells. If you try to, you'll get erroneous results. Pay close attention to the effect of your drag and drop moves to make sure they are what you want them to be. To help with that, you can click the Undo and Redo buttons after a move to see the before and after states alternately if you're not sure of an element you moved. Remember that if you save a template, Undo won't work for previous changes. If you're doing a lot of edits, I suggest saving your changes regularly, so that if you get in a state where you need to start over on your changes, you have a recent saved state to work from. We hope this drag and drop functionality, along with our Spark AI builder, can take you to a whole new level of business form and document building for your organization.